Hiya, I'm Bill. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Gigaclear and how I got it all installed and how easy it's all been. So stick around and I'll show you all the gadgets that come with it and what I think. So thanks, and give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and comment below any questions and I might be able to help you. Thanks. So this is the main box for your phone line, and that plugs in there for your main phone as a normal BT. This is your main box, and that is kind of like your little modem that keeps the fibre on, etc. So that stays on at all times. That needs a plug as well as your main box. This is the router. It's a Linksys router. It does offer quite good wireless signal, not the best, so I'm not really gonna go with the actual routers that they supplied, but if you just want a standard Wi-Fi connection, it's absolutely perfect. I did find that this plug was quite wide, and you can't put it next to another plug, so that's a bit of a design fault, and that's a quite good little thing because it bends round, so it's quite good. This is a speed test using my Fire Stick 4K. That's about a metre away from my router. Now it's not going to be the full 600 megabyte that I got, but you'll be quite surprised at the speed that over the wireless is going to be done. So we'll just watch this and see their speed. So absolutely fantastic. I'm just thrilled with this service. I mean, 300 megabytes, and you'll see it's going to go up and up and up, and you can see, look, it's gone over 400 meg, and that's on a diddy little Fire Stick that's plugged into my HDMI port. So that's a really good test, that is. So you'd be thrilled with that. Now coming on to the device on the outside, you can see this box is where the cable goes into the wall, and then it goes on that pole on the outside. As you can see, it goes on, and then basically it didn't take too long for it to be installed, to be fair, and it goes down the road down there. Now the questions that I had when before I had it installed was, can I transfer my phone number, e.g. my normal landline, over to this service? And yes, you can. You just put that in as you put your order, and then it's been about 5 days, maybe less than that, I got an email from BT to say, do you want to rejoin? And I said no thank you, and then it got transferred over, and literally I just had to unplug that box from the power, plug it back in, and then it was activated. The phone number was transferred over on the day they said it was going to transfer over. You don't lose a loss of service because your old BT line is still active up to the point of the transfer, so that's a good thing. I find as well, the phone is crystal clear. The broadband speed is fantastic. If you plug a cable into the router, you're going to get that 600 megs, and I'm going to flash up on the screen the speed test I've done direct from the router to the fibre, and I think you're going to see it. Yeah, isn't that a great speed? And you could go up to 900 meg up and 900 meg down, but that's a little bit too costly for me at this time. But 600 would be perfect. On the 600 package you do get 2 routers, so you get a mesh Wi-Fi, and generally speaking it was pretty good. Not great. It's based on an older sort of Wi-Fi technology, and I'm a bit techie. I'm tend to move into Wi-Fi 6E. They're quite expensive, those routers, but they're well worth it if you've got dead spots in your house, or you want the full sort of fibre speeds on the wireless. But other than that, I'd say use a Cat 6 cable, and that'll give you no trouble at all. Diverting your phone and that is easy. You just log into your control panel and you could divert your phone as within instantly. You literally put the phone number in your mobile or whatever. You could transfer your house line to your mobile. How cool is that? If you're waiting for that important call and you need to pop out to get the kids or whatever. Also blocking numbers. You know, you get them really nice sort of Indian scammers and people trying to scam you, or them constant people trying to sell you installation for your roof. It drives you mad, but you can block their number now. You go into the control panel, put the number in, and it blocks them. It's genius, isn't it? Absolutely fantastic. You don't have to have a phone service, but living out in the sticks and with mobile signal, I'd say is vital. We can't always get a mobile signal, so having a phone service is great. And we've had it about 5 days now. It's been faultless. I actually highly recommend you upgrade if you're in the Gigaclear area. Use my link below. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Well, I hope you liked that video. If you got any comments, suggestions, put them below. I really appreciate your comments, so just put them below and I'll help you as much as I can. If you want to sign up for Gigaclear, please use my link below. You'll get a free £40 Amazon voucher and I'll get a little bit of a kickback as well, so please use my link because I really appreciate that. All the best, and any questions please ask. See you soon. Bye bye.